Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have some cases from Supcase to review for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S23 Ultra. This time, I will be reviewing the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro for the S23 Ultra. I need to give a shout out to Supcase for sending this case out to me for a review. I will have other Supcases on my channel coming up really soon, but I wanted to try out the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro because it's probably one of my go-to heavy duty cases that I use if I'm going hiking or somewhere I know if I drop my phone it might break, especially if it's hiking somewhere with rocks. They sent me out, it looks like they sent me out 4 different colors. We'll go over the colors. There's a surprise color in here, but I do like the camo because it matches like the army green of my phone, which is pretty cool. This is a 2-piece case. Now, it looks like in this version, they did not include the pre-installed screen protector. I think you can still get that one from Amazon, but I like it where it does not have the screen protector on there. I don't need the built-in screen protector, so I'm glad they give you a version without it. You can pick up this case from Amazon. I will have the links in the description, but let's get into it. Comes with the belt clip as normal, and we will try out the belt clip too. I normally don't use the belt clip, but it's there. I will show that off too. We'll hide this one until later. But here's the case. It's a 2-piece case. I have removed the sticker that says peel here. So what you want to do is in this corner, kind of peel off the back piece of it. And just work it around. Don't break it because it is in there pretty good. Once you get that apart, there you go. It does have a kickstand back here, which is a really sturdy kickstand. And then I love the inside too. Has some cushion around there. Drop protection. I love the extra grip here on the sides. And then the back has like this little material too that you can feel that has extra grip. Little carbon fiber design. Look at that camera cutout. But how you want to install this is place your phone down here. Trying to do this on camera is not the easiest. So you put your phone in here. Then you take this. You can start from the bottom. Start from the bottom and now we're at the top. You pretty much want to just work it around and make sure it's all in there. The great thing about this one, it does not have that screen protector on there, which is good. So you get to the fingerprint scanner a lot easier. Let me dim down this some. But you get, look at the lip protection you get from here to here. And then look at the camera protection too. Now it's not precisely cut out like other cases, but you don't have to worry about dropping your phone and breaking anything because that will protect it at all costs. So I'm okay with it. I do like how it doesn't have this built-in screen protector. Now the grip also works great. The power button is easy to get to and easy to press. Volume rockers are easy. One thing about this case too, you don't have to worry about how it fits. It fits snug. It's not coming apart because it's a 2-piece case. Everything like the bottom lines up. You do have a little cover for your charging part. Some people actually cut this off. I just leave it on there. It's easy to get to the S Pen. I mean, that's pretty simple because you can tell they have it cut out all the way down to the frame of the case. The kickstand, let's check that out. So here's the kickstand. You can watch TV watch your phone like that. You can do it that way or even this way. And it's a sturdy kickstand, so it's not going anywhere. I mean, it's on there pretty well. What y'all think about this case? Now, somebody asked me in my comments, does this add bulk? Yes. Look how big this makes your phone. But it protects it though. It really will protect your phone. So if you work in construction, or if you do a lot of hiking, maybe bike riding, and you drop your phone, this is a great case, and it's a great price too compared to its competitors. And you can get that, you know, all-day protection that you're looking for, heavy-duty protection, I should say. I don't know about all-day protection. That's a new term I'm gonna try to make up. Does it work with the belt clip? Yes, it does. And then this turns into a kickstand some kind of way too, if you want to watch it. And I think you can even put it like this, yes. And then this will come out like a kickstand type of thing. Maybe. Yeah, you can do a kickstand some kind of way. But you don't really need the kickstand if you have it, but you can definitely, the belt clip works good with it too. So this is the camo. They sent me one in blue. Here's a blue one. I like that one too. Then they sent me out, I don't know if you call this brown taupe. I think that might be called taupe. But then here's the cooler. And here's the box too, so nice presentation from them. You can kind of see what's in here. So here it is. It's called Camo Glitch from them. So that's actually pretty cool. I like that color on there. But these are the 4 colors you can get. I think they even have more colors on Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Which one would you pick as your favorite color? Pick one out. I will have links in the description, so that way if you want to pick it up. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so that way you know when I'm dropping my next video on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, I'm out. Peace. Y'all have a great day.